Hi guys!
Welcome to Cooking with Amber and
Stephanie. Hi guys, we're here today. We're making dirt pudding. And for our dirt pudding, we're going to need 1 box of instant pudding mix that's chocolate, a container of Cool Whip, and approximately 15 chocolate cookies. We chose Oreos, but you could also purchase the generic brand, is fine as well. And to start with, we're going to
start with our pudding. So we're going to pour a whole packet of pudding into our bowl.
It's like poof.
And make as big a mess as possible.
The least amount of mess as possible.
Least amount of mess
over the bowl.
And then we're going to pour in 2 cups of milk. So I have 5 measuring cups here. I have 1/8 cup, 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and 1 cup. Which do you think I should use? Stephanie, which one do you think I should use?
Well, we need 2 cups. So, if we need 2 cups, then I think we need to use the 1 cup, but 2 times.
Great idea.
So we're going to count them out so we don't forget.
1 cup.
1.
2 cups. Okay. Then I'm going to take this fancy little whisk here and whisk it around for 2 minutes.
Ooh, that's a long time.
And then I have to let my pudding set for 5 minutes before we can add the other ingredients.
Okay, hi guys, we're back. We have mixed our pudding for 2 minutes and we've waited for 5 minutes. So how long has it been, Amber?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes.
7 minutes, yes. Now we're going to take our cookies, and we need approximately 15 cookies. So we're going to count out our cookies. And everyone can count with me.
1 cookie.
2
cookies.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 cookies. And now we need to crush our cookies. So we're going to place them in our bag. And this is the fun part. Get them all in there.
Not as fun as eating them, but
Well,
still fun.
This is true. It's the fun part of making them. We gotta make sure we close it really good, because otherwise, what could happen?
Cookies
We're
everywhere.
gonna have an awful mess. Okay, now we get to crush them. Woo! Man, I wish we had some kids here to do this part, because I am sure that we would have some expert cookie crushers out there. Be like, whoa. Oh, yes, and then if you were, all your frustrations, we're gonna take it out on these cookies.
If you're having a bad day, make dirt pudding. You can
about you, but I wouldn't mind having some bigger chunks in my pudding.
Yeah.
Because Oreos are delicious. But we still need it to look like dirt on the top, right?
Right.
It's a dirt pudding. What if we didn't want it to be dirt pudding? Could we make like sand pudding? If we used vanilla?
Yeah.
Isaiah, most of you know Isaiah Yobro, he doesn't like chocolate, but he loves vanilla. So I think you could use vanilla pudding and maybe some vanilla wafers or vanilla Oreos. They have the
They do. The golden Oreos.
yeah, really good. And so now we're going to add only half of our cookie mixture into our pudding.
Tilt the bowl. There.
Here's our pudding. We've let it sit. We're in a portion, approximately half.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix that in. All right, looks good.
Looking yummy. Now we're gonna add in our Cool Whip. We need
8 ounces.
8 ounces, and this is an 8-ounce container, so perfect. I can just dump the whole thing in here.
And once we get that mixed up, we're going to put the pudding in cups to refrigerate. Okay, and now we've got all of our pudding in our cups. And then one of the last things we're gonna do is we're gonna put the rest of the cookie crumble on top. And there you have it, dirt pudding. So don't forget to look for your questions and homework assignment for this segment with Cooking with Amber and Stephanie. Let us know how you liked it.